Hey creators, welcome back to BlipCut channel. Let's talk about some interesting topics today. How to earn money on YouTube. The answer might seem obvious, and if you search for this keyword on YouTube, you'll find tons of tutorials. But most of them involve a lot of steps and aren't very beginner friendly. So, today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to expand your audience by converting your videos into multiple languages. This is a great strategy to reach more viewers and grow your channel faster. All you need is an amazing online tool that can translate videos into 95 different languages with just one click. I've included the link in the description below, so let's check it out. BlipCut offers a wide range of features, including batch translation to 100 languages, video dubbing, an AI subtitle generator, an AI voice changer, and AI voice cloning. Plus, it has many other powerful AI tools to help enhance your videos. First, click Try Free Online button and then click the box to upload the video or videos. BlipCut AI will automatically detect the video language. So we just click to choose the target language. The system will select English by default. If you don't need it, just click Delete. After you have selected all the target languages you want to translate, select the sound for the video translation. Usually I will just select the sound of the original video. Once confirmed, click to translate and wait a moment. The translated video will appear on the right side. Super simple, right? That's it for today's video. Catch you in the next one.